Tornado emergency for Napoleon, Ohio. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for northern Henry County in northwestern Ohio, southeastern Fulton County in northwestern Ohio until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed 8 miles northeast of Defiance and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Napoleon, Ohio. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Napoleon around 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Liberty Center around 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. McClure around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Swanton around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Okolona, Grelton, Gerald, Braley, Ridgeville Corners, Texas, Colton, and Florida. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXL 51 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for Northwest Ohio over station WXL 51 from Holland on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. The forecast for Northwest Ohio. Tornado Watch 456 in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Mainly this evening. Some thunderstorms may be severe this evening. Lows around 70. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then partly sunny with showers and thunderstorms likely in the afternoon. Humid with highs in the mid-80s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Friday, partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. North winds around 5 miles per hour. Saturday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-80s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. The nearshore marine forecast. For the following marine location, Maumee Bay to Reno Beach. Tornado Watch 456 in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Tonight, south winds 10 to 20 knots becoming southwest. Showers and thunderstorms likely this evening, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe early. Waves 2 feet or less. Winds and waves higher near thunderstorms. Thursday, west winds 5 to 15 knots becoming southwest.